Ever wished your resume was more than a PDF, but a live, shareable website that's all you? Something like yourname.cv that you own, customize, and update instantly. That's what HelloCV makes possible. HelloCV is an AI-powered platform that turns your traditional resume into a personalized SEO-ready .cv website instantly. You get a clean, mobile-responsive resume complete with your unique URL, like yourname.cv, customizable templates, portfolio hosting, and analytics. No coding required. Perfect for building a memorable personal brand online. But before we dive into the features, let's see what users are saying about it. On Product Hunt, HelloCV holds a perfect 5-star rating from early reviewers. Users praise its ability to turn resume into clean, Notion-style personal sites with almost no effort. A few noted minor hiccups during PDF upload, but overall the experience is described as smart, intuitive, and worth sharing. Now let's discuss the core features of it one by one. HelloCV makes resume building effortless with its upload and convert system. You can simply upload your existing CV in PDF, Word, or text format, or even just describe who you are and your career background. The AI will instantly transform that input into a clean, modern .cv profile that's not only professional, but also hosted as your own personal CV website for free. Once the AI generates your CV, you can edit, rearrange, and customize sections directly within the platform. No need to deal with complex formatting or design tools. The AI does the heavy lifting while you focus on fine-tuning the content. For example, if you upload a simple 2-page Word document with your job history, HelloCV can instantly convert into a visually appealing online CV with clickable sections, a shareable link, and a layout optimized for recruiters. This means you can go from having a basic file on your desktop to a professional online portfolio in minutes. So that's the end of feature 1. Now let's move on to feature 2. So once you have uploaded your CV or created it from scratch, HelloCV gives you complete control to edit and personalize every section of your profile. You can update your profile photo or even get a professional AI headshot, edit your name, job title, contact details, and social media links. Fill in the About section with a compelling summary that highlights your expertise, add or update your work experience, education, and skills. Include links to LinkedIn, email, phone number, and other social platforms so recruiters can easily connect with you. Add custom sections like certifications, volunteer work, or languages to stand out. For example, if you're a full-stack developer, you can add a short summary like full-stack developer with 5+ years of experience building scalable web applications using React, Node.js, and AWS. Passionate about creating innovative solutions that improve user experience. This feature ensures your CV is not just generated, it's tailored exactly to your career goals and personal branding. So that's the end of feature 2. Now let's move on to feature 3. HelloCV doesn't just stop at creating your resume, it also helps you build credibility and track your reach. With the endorsement feature, you can invite colleagues, mentors, or collaborators to attest to your skills and experiences. You click Get Endorsed and add their name and email, choose the section of your CV they should endorse, and even include a personalized message. This turns your profile into a living proof of your expertise backed by real testimonials. Profile analytics, you get insights into how your CV is performing, see total views, unique visitors, top traffic sources, device breakdowns, and the countries where your audience comes from. This helps you measure your visibility and make smarter networking decisions. In short, you're not just sending a resume into the void, you're building a professional brand and monitoring its impact in real time. So those were some of the features. Now let's head over and discuss who this tool is actually for. So HelloCV is ideal for job seekers or freelancers who want a portfolio and resume in one shareable space. Professionals building personal brands, authors, speakers, consultants, remote candidates, custom domains boost trust and virtual hiring, students and career switchers who need a clean modern CV without learning design tools. Since there's an area of improvement in every tool, here's where HelloCV could level up further. Offer built-in analytics, dashboard, views, time spent, geographical traffic. They mentioned resume analytics on F6S, but it's not front and center. More template variety like industry-specific flows or multi-page layouts. Built-in custom branding tools like logo generation or virtual resume theme. HelloCV does offer an affiliate program and you can earn up to 80% commission. But for developers, there's not really any affiliate API right now, but however, you can contact the team and know when it will be available. So HelloCV is a sleek bridge between static resumes and dynamic personal branding, making your online presence instantly professional, SEO ready, and uniquely yours. With AI-powered transformation, drag and drop building, media support, and free custom domain is one of the easiest ways to your own digital identity today. Link is in the description if you're ready to try HelloCV today and start owning your online brand. So that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.